Not registered on mobile network on Android devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from AppGuard. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can fix if your Android phone says that you're not registered on network. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, when it says not registered on Android devices or not registered on network, the very first reason could be because let's say you have inserted a SIM card. Now, whenever you try to place a call to somebody, it simply says that you're not registered on network. The most common reason why this happens is because when you're using a phone that has been imported from abroad. So which means that if you're living in India and if you actually purchase a phone from US and then you imported that to your country, that could be one of the reasons why. Because by default, the software version is set to that particular country. And if you want to fix this, it's very simple. Sometimes you can just open up the SIM tray and reinsert the SIM tray again. Keep in mind that it could also be the issue with your SIM card and not necessarily with your device. In order to verify all this, just go ahead and open up settings. Once you open up settings, go to the option called connections. As I go to connections, I will go to the option called mobile networks, and you can see all these mobile networks over here. I'd recommend you to simply switch to the LTE or the 4G, which is definitely the latest one over here. And after that, you can go to access point names, and depending upon your own region, you have to actually verify the access point names. Or I would recommend you to reset them to default by tapping on the three dots on the top right and selecting resetting to default. It will ask you to reset the APN settings, so just go ahead and do that if you really want. If not, you can go to network operators, and I would recommend you to simply turn on the toggle next to select automatically. After you've done that, sometimes you could have purchased a new SIM card, and that could also be because it could take some time to actually activate it. And hopefully this video answered your question. You can also go to more connection settings and see other options as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.